let me tell you something most people never hear. Meditation is not a blank mind. And if you tried to meditate and felt frustrated because your mind kept wandering, you were not failing. You were meeting the real practice. In this video, I'll explain what meditation actually is, why your mind wanders, and how to start in a way that feels possible. Most people start meditation with the wrong goal. Stop thinking. So they sit down, close their eyes, and the mind does what it always does. It thinks. Then they say, I can't meditate, and they quit. But your mind thinking is not the problem. That is literally its job. Here's the shift. Meditation is not the moment your mind becomes silent. Meditation is the moment you notice you got pulled away. That moment of noticing is the beginning of awareness. In simple words, meditation is attention training. Like training a muscle, not a mystical state, not a personality, a skill. Your attention goes away, you notice, you return, and every return counts. If you got distracted 10 times, that's not failure, that's 10 reps. That's training. Now, why does your mind wander? Here are 3 real reasons. Reason 1, your brain is built to protect you. It scans for problems. It replays conversations. It imagines outcomes. That's survival wiring. Reason 2, you're expecting a result. You sit down thinking, I should feel calm. And the moment you don't, you start judging the experience. Judgment creates more thinking. Reason 3, attention is not trained yet. If you never practiced returning, of course the mind will wander fast. Just like the body shakes when you first lift weights. It's not proof you can't get strong. It's proof you're new. And here's the most important line. If your mind wanders, it doesn't mean you can't meditate. It means you are in the practice. Now, why is meditation worth it? Not because you become perfect, but because you gain space inside. Real benefits people actually feel. You calm down faster after stress. You notice anxiety earlier, before it takes over. You respond instead of reacting. You sleep better over time. You feel more present in daily life. Meditation doesn't remove life. It changes how you meet life. And if you're thinking, I don't have time, that's exactly why shorter practices work so well. Small practice, consistent return, big impact over time. If you're a beginner, this matters. Don't start with perfection. Start with possible. Instead of, I will meditate every day for an hour, start with a short practice you can repeat. And when your mind wanders, don't attack yourself. Just return. One more thing. If you get distracted a lot, it doesn't mean it's not working. It often means you need it more. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Meditation is not a blank mind. Meditation is returning. Thank you for being here in this class. Before you go, give yourself a gentle applause, because you gave yourself a moment. I'm proud of you for giving yourself this time today. One more breath to come back to you. And in the comments, share one word. How do you feel now?